guys, what's up, buddies? Oh, I just uploaded a short, and those are like my last remarks about this. So this will be my last time playing in Year of the Snake. In reality, it's only the third time I've played it. Like, guys, I'm not even lying. I only played it while making videos for you guys. So appreciate me, and there are more things I've not seen in this event, but I guess tomorrow I'm gonna post. Oh yeah, I just forgot I have school. So guys, I'll try. If I don't, just say maybe another day, or I'll just comment on this video saying maybe another day. Oh, I don't afford to fail here, because if I fail it, it's gonna be another shot. Guys, no friends, I don't like making shots. Then I put in this thing. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I failed. Never give up, guys. One video, when I make playing Subway Surfers 10 times in a row. So I promise my thumbs were not here. Who have to know this before an upcoming ad comes? Just skip this ad. The nice Subway Surfers premium, so I don't know anything about these ads. Imagine 26. Right now in East Africa, it's literally almost 2 p.m. I'm just saying this to the Americans watching this. If there's even an American. Okay. If Americans are watching, I don't know why they'd be watching. I don't think any American has woken up right now. So I'm just have a weird routine. They wake up like 2 a.m. So they woke up like 2 hours ago. I usually post every 2 weeks, Sunday afternoon. That's gonna be my new timetable. But of course, when the new, I was just so bound, because like this is going to come in like 2 days. And like I wouldn't be able to post, so I'm just doing last time playing in Year of the Snake, because you guys are reading the title. Like, who would not read the title of a video? Just press on it. They will just come up next and you don't know. I'm getting so confused talking to you guys. I even forgot to press. This is gonna be a really short video. So the title of this might be Last 5 Minutes in Year of the Snake. Is it, guys? Why am I so sad for Year of the Snake going? And I barely even knew it. I barely even know which train. Oh my gosh, you're not supposed to know what trains there are. If you guys could see my reaction right now, you would be shocked. This is kind of not my real. Oh gosh. I don't know why I tried doing that. Sometimes I'm dumb, guys. So please comment down below, dumb Jonathan. I really need to dumb JMRNS. I'm gonna change my nickname. I don't like it. Oh, sorry. Guys, I failed so many times. I hit these 4 stars, dude. Nah. Yeah, oh my gosh. Sorry if I'm sparing your time. Sorry if I'm wasting your time. I know this is kind of dumb content, but I can't find anything else to do. Like every other YouTubers copied me. Okay, they've not copied me, but I don't wanna copy YouTubers. A lot of people do that and they get tens of millions of subscribers. Anyway, that's it for today's video, guys. Subscribe, like, and share.